How to make sweet and sour chicken. This dish may be mistaken as a Chinese dish, however, unlike sweet and sour pork, it is more found in American than Asian cuisine. Serves 4 people with rice, serves 2 if dish alone. Ingredients: 1 pound, 455 grams, of chicken breasts, you can use boneless. 1 green pepper. 4 slices of pineapple. 1/4 cup, 64 grams, of cornstarch. 1 onion, small or medium is fine. 3 tablespoons of vinegar. 4 tablespoons of sugar. 4 tablespoons of ketchup. 1-2 teaspoons of sesame oil. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. 5 tablespoons of water. Steps: 1. Cube the chicken into 1 inch (25 centimeters) pieces and put the pieces in a bowl. 2. Coat the chicken pieces with the cornstarch and mix well. 3. Oil and heat the skillet at about 325 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 to 177 degrees Celsius. Oil blanch or deep fry the chicken pieces in the skillet for about a minute. The chicken will still be raw inside, but the outside will turn a golden brown. 4. Remove the chicken from the skillet and drain them on paper towels. 5. Cut the pepper in half, seed, and remove the white rib. Cut the pepper in 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters, cubes. 6. Cut the onion and pineapples into cubes as well. 7. Oil and heat the skillet again and add the pepper, onion, and pineapple cubes. 8. Add the vinegar, ketchup, sesame oil, and sugar to the skillet. Stir everything for a minute. 9. Add the chicken pieces to the skillet and cook thoroughly for a few minutes. 10. Get a small bowl and mix the water and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with a spoon. Add this mixture to the skillet, as it will thicken the sauce. Keep stirring while you pour the mixture to prevent clumping. 11. Finished. Tips: this recipe can be served with white rice, noodles, or any other meal starch carbohydrate. Things: large wok or skillet, large chef knife, strainer,